What does heavy water taste like, and is it safe to drink? As a quick refresher, heavy water is like regular water but just 10% heavier. And that's because instead of having regular hydrogen, it has an isotope of hydrogen called deuterium. The same year Harold Urey won a Nobel for the discovery of deuterium was the same year that he sent George de Hevesy, a Hungarian chemist, several liters of water enriched with 0.5% deuterium. They put 20 goldfish in the deuterated water, and when they didn't die, they decided to drink it for science. Hevesy was all about using radioactive tracers in plants and animals to measure metabolic processes. And he'd been hoping for 20 years for a way to watch individual water molecules travel through the body. So either him or his assistant drank 2 full liters of 0.46% enriched water. And then they collected urine samples and distilled out the water to measure its density. They found small amounts of deuterated water in the urine within 20 minutes and found that its half-life was just over 9 days. But they didn't mention any taste. But I found a short 1935 paper called Concerning the Taste of Heavy Water by H.C. Urey and G. Falia. They ran it like a blind taste test where each of them were given 2 watch glasses. One had a cubic centimeter of regular water and one had a cubic centimeter of heavy water. One kept each sample of water in his mouth for a short time before spitting it out, and the other drank both of them. But neither of them could detect the slightest difference between the taste of ordinary water and the taste of pure heavy water. And these were super expensive tests. At the time, a teaspoon of heavy water cost $100,000 today money. But a study published in Communications Biology in 2021 reported that 22 of 28 participants could taste the difference between regular water and heavy water. And the study also concluded that heavy water is distinctly sweeter. The human body already has about 5 grams of heavy water in it, which is harmless. But experiments with mice, rats, and dogs have shown that if 25% of body water is actually heavy water, then that can cause irreversible sterility because gametes and zygotes can't develop. Mammals like rats will die when 40% of their body water is heavy water. Deuterium inhibits cell division and causes cytotoxic poisoning. And that's the same thing that goes on during chemotherapy or acute radiation syndrome. So heavy water is not going to take you out immediately, but you wouldn't want to fill your Nalgene with it every day.